Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell won't hold a charge, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises from a faulty battery that can no longer retain power. If not addressed promptly, it may lead to further complications, such as complete failure to power on, making your device unusable. For this repair, you will need a few essential tools: a compatible replacement battery, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some anti-static wrist straps to prevent any electrical damage. First, ensure your device is powered down completely and unplugged from the mains. To open the laptop safely, locate the screws on the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, use a plastic spudger to gently pry apart the bottom panel from the chassis. Be cautious as you work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips or components. As you lift the panel, be aware of any flex cables that may be attached to the underside. The component we are focusing on is the battery, which is usually located near the center of the device. You will see it clearly once the bottom panel is removed. It may be held in place by additional screws, which you will need to remove with your Phillips screwdriver. When unscrewing, remember not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the casing or the battery itself. After the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery from the motherboard by pulling the connector straight out. Take your new battery and align it with the connector, ensuring that it fits snugly. Once connected, secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Before reattaching the bottom panel, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose screws lying around. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the bottom panel back onto the chassis, ensuring that all clips are engaged. Replace and tighten all screws to secure the panel in place. Finally, power on your Dell Inspiron and check if the battery holds a charge. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly calibrate your battery by allowing it to discharge fully before recharging it. Also, avoid leaving your laptop plugged in constantly, as this can shorten battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.